Unit 1. What kinds of clocks are there? There are different kinds of clock. There are big clocks and small clocks. Some clocks have Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Let's go to the park. It's 6 o'clock. It's time for dinner. There are different systems to show the time. We can use the sun to show the time. The sun makes a shadow. This is a sundial. A sundial is an old clock. It's got Roman numbers. The sun makes a shadow on the numbers. It shows the time. There are different kinds of clock. Let's find out more. Unit 2. What habitats are there? A habitat is a home for plants and animals. There are lots of different habitats. This is a polar habitat. It's cold. Polar bears live in polar habitats. There are penguins, fish, and flies too. This is a grassland habitat. Lots of different animals live in grassland habitats. There are zebras, elephants, and monkeys. There are lizards and snakes and crocodiles too. This is a rainforest habitat. There are big animals and small animals in the rainforest. There are parrots and monkeys in the trees. There are snakes too. This is an ocean habitat. Look at all the fish. The oceans are full of amazing animals. There are lots of different habitats. Let's find out more. Unit 3. What's in towns? There are lots of different places in towns. We can find places in town on a map. There are car parks in lots of towns. There are train stations and bus stops too. Towns have got places to eat, restaurants and cafes. There are places to do sport. We can go to the sports centre. There are places like hospitals for people to get help. There are places to go shopping in towns. We can buy food at the market and books at the bookshop. There are places to have fun, like cinemas and playgrounds. There are places to learn. Lots of towns have got schools. Some towns have got monuments and museums. There are lots of places in towns. Let's find out more. Unit 4. How can we get fruit and vegetables? We can get food in different ways. We can buy lots of different fruit and vegetables. We can ask for food in numbers. We can buy 1 pineapple and 10 carrots. Or we can buy food in grams. We weigh the food. These carrots weigh 415 grams. We weigh lots of different fruits and vegetables. How much do these foods weigh? This apple weighs 200 grams. This apple weighs 180 grams. These 2 apples weigh 380 grams. This lemon weighs 150 grams. These 4 lemons weigh 500 grams. Would you like 750 grams of oranges? Or 1 big watermelon? We can get fruit and vegetables in different ways. Let's find out more. Unit 5. What are things made of? Things are made of lots of different materials. We make things of wood, fabric, metal, glass, and plastic. We use wood to make furniture. We can paint wood. Let's paint the chair white. We use fabric to make clothes and rugs and furniture. We use metal to make chairs and lamps and computers. We use glass to make windows and mirrors. And we use plastic to make lots of different things. Bottles, pens, and chairs. Things are made of lots of different materials. Let's find out more. Unit 6. How do artists make faces? We've all got different faces. We've got long hair and short hair. We've got blue eyes and brown eyes and glasses. Our faces are different when we are young and old, when we are happy and sad, when we are excited and angry. Artists make faces in lots of ways. A picture of a face is called a portrait. Artists use pencils to make drawings of faces. Artists make paintings of faces. They use lots of colors. The paintings can be very different. Artists use paper and glue to make a paper collage. And artists can make portraits with a camera. These are photos. We can make photo portraits too. Smile! Artists make faces in lots of ways. Let's find out more. Unit 7. How does transport go? There are different types of transport. Transport goes on land, in the air, and on water. There are lots of ways to travel on land. When we want to go to school, we can walk. Or we can go there by car or by bus. We can ride a bicycle to the park. Or we can go on a skateboard or a scooter. There's lots of transport in towns and cities. There are people driving lorries and cars on the roads. When we want to leave the city, we can jump on a train. We can travel in the air, in a helicopter, and a hot air balloon. We can fly in a plane to Australia. There are lots of places we can go to on water. Some people go to work every day by ferry. On holiday, we can explore a lake in a canoe, and we can sail a boat to a beautiful island. Transport goes on water, in the air, and on land. Let's find out more. Unit 8. What do we need to play sports? We need different equipment to do different sports. We need shoes to go running. We need a ball to play lots of sports. We need a big ball for volleyball and a small ball for table tennis. We need different nets for different sports. We need a racket to play tennis and badminton, and a bat to play baseball. We need a board to go surfing and snowboarding. We wear goggles to go swimming, and we wear a helmet to do lots of sports. We do sport in different places. There are tennis courts and basketball courts. We play football on a pitch, and we do athletics on a track. We need different equipment to do different sports. Let's find out more. Unit 9. How can we help the environment on holiday? We do lots of things to help the environment when we are at home. We've all got recycling bins. And we can help the environment when we are on holiday too. The natural environment is very beautiful. When we are in the countryside, we can go camping Don't leave your rubbish on the ground at the campsite. Take your rubbish home and recycle your plastic bottles. On holiday, we can go hiking in the countryside. Don't walk on the plants and flowers. Walk on the paths. On holiday, we can learn about the natural environment. We can take photos of the plants and animals in their habitats. But don't play with the animals and don't give them food. There are lots of things we can do to help the environment on holiday. Let's find out more.